Have you ever felt broke when a birthday, school fees, or car repair just popped up out of nowhere? That's not bad luck. That's bad planning. But don't worry. Today I'm going to be sharing one of the easiest budgeting hack that almost nobody talks about. The sinking fund strategy. It's simple, it's powerful, and once you learn it, surprise expenses will never stress you again. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, if you are ready to master your money and unlock your full potential, hit the like button, subscribe to Chioma TV, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a powerful insight. Let's dive in. What is sinking fund? A sinking fund is money that you set aside bit by bit over time for specific known expenses in the future. Think of it like this. Instead of panicking when Christmas comes or your rent jumps, you have already saved up for it slowly on a purpose. It's not an emergency saving, it's planned saving. You are sinking money into a mini fund so that when the time comes, boom, no debt, no stress. And the beauty of it is that you can create a sinking fund for literally anything. Here are a few ideas that you can create sinking fund, like your car repairs, back to school expenses, rent increase, birthdays, wedding, Christmas, travel or vacations, even your home appliances, business registration, or yearly payment. These are the things you can use to create sinking fund. If it's something you know is coming or it just comes around every year, it deserves a sinking fund. Now, how do you set up the sinking fund? Setting up a sinking fund is super easy. Just follow this simple step that I'm going to mention. Step 1, pick the expenses. For example, you want to save like maybe thousands, 2,000 for rent in 6 months. Step 2, you divide the total by the number of months. Okay, if you're saving 2,000, that means you have to divide it. If you're saving it in 6 months, you have to divide it by 6 and know how many you'll be saving. 2,000 divided by 6, that will be what you'll be saving. Step 3, add it to your monthly budget. Treat it like a fixed expenses. You save the amount that is due for that month. Then step 4, use a separate envelope. It might be your bank account or savings pot or whatever you have or what you used to save. Keep it out of your main spending account so you don't accidentally use it. Do this for each goal. You can have multiple sinking funds running at once. Let me tell you how sinking fund can save you so much. It helps you to avoid debts. It helps you to stop dipping into emergency savings. And it also helps you to feel in control. You spend without guilt because you already planned for it. And trust me, it feels so good to pay for something in full without scrambling or borrowing. Let me tell you some of the mistakes that you need to avoid with your sinking funds. Do not forget to update your goals regularly. Most of the times we don't think or have a means for that or a need for that. So don't keep your sinking fund in cash if you are tempted to spend. Don't treat it like extra money. It's assigned money with a purpose. And also don't rely on memory. Track your progress so that you know what you have achieved. Write it down. You can label everything and stay consistent. If you want to start using sinking fund today, to start, here are the things you need to do. Number 1, you might list 3 expenses coming in the next 6 to 12 months. Divide the amount by the number of months you want to save it. Start saving that amount each month, even if it is small. Keep it separate and track it weekly or monthly. This is one of the most stress-free way to save, and it puts you in charge of your money. So if you know you want to be in charge of your money, start using sinking fund to save for those things that you want to achieve. If this video helped you, hit the like button, drop a comment with what you're starting a sinking fund for, and don't forget to subscribe to Chioma TV. Money doesn't have to be hard. It just needs a plan. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.
Chioma Media, light in the storm, bringing truth and fire, keeping hearts warm. Stories that matter. From dreams to destiny, we rise. Bold conversations that open your eyes. News, growth, and more, we keep it real. Knowledge that empowers, wisdom you can feel. Shine, shine, Chioma Media. Brighter every day, reaching far and near. Truth, hope, and power in your ear. You belong, you're strong, we're right here. Chioma Media, shine on. In every click, there's a spark, guiding your journey out of the dark. With every video, we plant a seed for minds to grow and hearts to lead. It's more than a channel, it's a voice, helping you rise, helping you choose. In a world so loud, we bring the calm, with purpose, vision, and healing balm. Shine, shine, Chioma Media. Brighter every day, reaching far and near. Truth, hope, and power in your ear. You belong, you're strong, we're right here. Chioma Media, shine on. Chioma Media, shine on. So hit subscribe, let your story unfold. With Chioma Media, your pure gold. Together we grow, together we rise. With faith in our hearts and fire in our eyes. Shine, shine, Chioma Media. Brighter every day, reaching far and near. Truth, hope, and power in your ear. You belong, you're strong, we're right here. Chioma Media, shine on. Chioma Media, shine on. Chioma Media, shine on. Chioma Media, shine on. So hit subscribe, let your story unfold. With Chioma Media, your pure gold. Together we grow, together we rise. With faith in our hearts and fire